In this video, we will go over the difference between a note and a comment, as well as how you can make a comment directed towards somebody. So let's start. Let's say we have to put a note on the current street address. So that's going to be in cell B4. And we want to leave a note for somebody that says, please update with new address. So once we are selected on B4, we can go to the review tab. Under notes, we can choose the drop down. We can click new note, and we see a small little post-it note appear. So here we can just start typing, please update with new address. Awesome. Just go ahead and click off. You'll notice now that cell B4 has a small red triangle in the upper right-hand corner. If you just hover over it, it just signifies that there is a note in there. Now, let's go ahead and still on the review tab, we'll hit notes again. This time we'll hit convert to comments. We'll hit convert all notes. And now you see the red change to this like purple shape. If we hover over it now, this is what a comment looks like. So the difference is I'm able to comment back to people and other people can comment back to me. So you can make a thread when you insert a comment. So now let's say we wanted this comment to be directly pushed out to our boss, right? We had to tell them that they needed to update the new address. When we're hovered onto the comment, we can click edit with this little pencil icon. And in the front, we can just type an @ symbol. So that's going to be Shift-2 on your keyboard. And we can just type Joe for an example. And if we just click off and click save, if Joe was in my contact list, he would get a notification saying that I left him a comment on the workbook.